I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select a Trigger CoBlocks form. Now, click on the Fetch button, then navigate to the CoBlocks form and fill it out to retrieve the data. After fetching the form, you need a unique key to define it. However, the CoBlock form doesn't provide the unique key. That's why I added a hidden field and gave its value as a unique key. Now fill out the form. Return to the integration site to view the successfully fetched data. Now check all the fields under the object. Then choose the hidden field as a unique key. Set action. Search and select Zagomail. Give here a public API key. Please visit Zagomail API token. Generate new keys. Save it. Copy the public API key and paste it on the integration site. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose a list. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in actions and conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit it. Now go to the Zagomail site and navigate to the lists. Then click on the subscribers. Here you can see that the data came successfully to the Zagomail site. Thanks for watching.